lowermost tip of Assam's vast Brahmaputra valley, wedged between Bangladesh and West Bengal, Assam's heritage town of Dhubri is witnessing an interesting triangular fight this Lok Sabha election. It's a high-stakes poll battle for 68-year-old Maulana Badruddin Ajmal, the supremo of AIUDF and Dhubri's MP since 2009. Assam's Muslim politics has revolved around Mr. Ajmal, a very successful businessman in his other avatar for over 2 decades. Taking on Mr. Ajmal is Congress heavyweight and former Assam Minister Rakibul Hussain, who wants to emerge as a giant killer. While BJP is not contesting, it is heavily banking on its ally, AGP's candidate, former MLA Javed Islam. Often called Assam's Muslim heartland, Dhubri is the only Lok Sabha seat in Assam out of the total 14 that has never elected a Hindu candidate. Muslims are nearly 85% of the total over 26 lakhs voters in Dhubri. But with the possibility of a division of votes between the AIUDF and the Congress, the 7 lakh odd Hindu votes might become crucial. For the Congress, the stakes are very high. The party stalwart, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, has campaigned hard in Dhubri, accusing ex-ally Ajmal of having secret understanding with the BJP.
यहाँ असम में बीजेपी और AIUDF का जो गठजोड़ है, वो यहाँ की राजनीति को एकदम एक दूसरी दिशा में ले गई है। बदरुद्दीन जी और हेमंतो बिस्वा सरना जी का एक गुप्त गठजोड़ है।
Relations soared between Congress and the AIUDF after the 2021 Assam state election tie-up flop. In his campaign, Ajmal has accused the Gandhis of blocking him from the India alliance, but has also tried to keep a post-poll tie-up possibility open.
साफ मुझसे कहा गया, मैंने शरद पवार जी से बात कराया, भाई क्यों नहीं लेते हमको। नीतीश कुमार उस वक्त असल इसके जो चलाने वाले थे वही थे। उन्होंने साफ कहा कि भाई राहुल गांधी आपको स्टेशन पे बिठाना नहीं चाहते, ये हिंदू वोट खराब हो जाएगा।
In this tug of war between Ajmal and Congress, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma is trying to make space for the NDA, assuring Muslims of equal benefits.
যেতিয়া কংগ্ৰেছে কি কৈছিল যে মোদী আহিলে নামাজ বন্ধ হৈ যাব, হয় না? মোদী আহিলে রোজা নহব, মোদী আহিলে হজ নহব, মোদী আহিলে ইফতার নহব। এতিয়াতো 10 বছর মোদী প্রধানমন্ত্রী হৈ গল, নামাজ বন্ধ হল নেকি? ধুবুৰী মসজিদত নামাজ হয় না নহয়? একদম সঁচা কথা কব দেই।
Dhubri is dotted by several riverine islands on the Brahmaputra river. Ajmal, known in the past for an eclectic campaign style, where he blessed the containers of water brought to the rallies by his followers who believe the symbolism has a healing effect, has adopted a more conventional campaign style this time, promising to build 700 madrasas if elected at a time when Himanta administration has shut down government madrasas.
75 साल का बिगाड़ा हुआ एक जहाज आप 15 साल में जबकि ऑपोजिशन में है कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते, इट विल टेक टाइम। लेकिन मैंने जो किया कांग्रेस वाले 100 साल में नहीं कर सकते थे और आइंदा भी नहीं कर पाएंगे।
Beyond the politics, there are many issues plaguing Dhubri.
As per Niti Aayog statistics last year, so Dhubri is the poorest district in Assam and one of the poorest district in Northeast India. जो अनस्किल्ड लेबर है वो लोग चला जाता है पूरा आसाम, नहीं तो रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया, इवन दे गो टू साउथ इंडिया, क्योंकि इधर एम्प्लॉयमेंट बोल के कुछ भी नहीं है।
अच्छी तरह से हॉस्पिटल खोले और कॉलेज अच्छी तरह से हो, और इनकम का जो बात है तो आजकल देखा जा रहा है भारत में ज़्यादातर निबंधन समस्या ज़्यादा हो रहा है, तो इसमें थोड़ा काम करेगा तो हम लोगों का अच्छा होगा।
The triangular pole battle in Dhubri this time is perhaps much beyond a prestige fight for Maulana Badruddin Ajmal, who is seeking a re-election from Dhubri for the 4th consecutive term. This time, perhaps, he's facing a tough election which will not only decide his fate, but perhaps decide which way the Muslim politics in Assam will shift from here. In Dhubri, with camera Sanjay Chakravarti, Ratndeep Chaudhary, Find TV.